Cytron Technologies is a Malaysian tech company. We design, manufacture, and distribute electronic products and educational robotic kits. Rero EDU, as the education arm of Cytron Technologies, is an impact-driven initiative in support of our national agenda to transform Malaysian youth from passive consumers of technology to future tech innovators in the digital economy. Our vision is to bring robotics and coding to the masses using local solutions. Working in collaboration with the Ministry of Education and MDEC My Digital Maker movement, we have introduced robotics and coding to over 10,000 kids through school visits, workshops, and robotics competitions. Through our initiatives, we hope to spark an interest in STEM education and careers. In order to maximize our impact, we also train and certify school teachers as well as learning center trainers. We equip and empower them to teach robotics to children in their circles of influence. We also train and mentor student leaders through our Junior Facilitator program. To date, we have trained over 300 junior facilitators, ranging from high school students to engineering undergrads. By having a strong and mobile team of rero instructors and facilitators, plus a growing library of content, we strive to make quality robotics and coding education available, affordable, and attainable for all. You share the same vision for our next generation. We welcome you to partner with us. Together, let's inspire and empower the next generation of tech innovators.